Good morning, Twin Force Fusion, and sorry if this video is dark, but it's going to be a cold morning start. We're actually 6 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to leave pretty soon to the dyno, but I just wanted to do a cold start. I drove the car since last Thursday twice, and but never actually did a cold start. So it's about 10 degrees Celsius right now. In the garage it's maybe, I don't know, 12 or 15. But here it is. We'll see what it sounds like. Alright, that's how it sounds. Not too loud, so I'm not gonna piss off any of my neighbors. And again, in about it's 6, 7, 8, 9. In about 2 hours, I'll be on strapping this car on the dyno, and hopefully I give you guys information, some good news regarding the power gains with the Ultimate Performance Downpipe. If you're listening to this video and you say, what the hell, no revs? Well, go listen to the last video I posted a few days ago. That one as a hot start with a few revs, higher and low revs. So cheers and have a nice day.